because he's number one. If you open Brahma Samhita, one of the ancient Vedic texts, it says Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. It's verse belongs to Brahma, the creator of the world. So he says, Bhajami, I worship Govinda, who is the primary Lord. Adipurusha means first. So because he is the one and the only source of everything, naturally he becomes first priority. Because if I get established relationships with him, all other questions are settled down. But if I'm trying to develop some other programs in my life, so my priority become like economic development, family life, something like that. So if I put Lord somewhere in the back, then everything ruins in the term, in course of time, because we are living in the world where matter is being pushed by the force of time, and the Lord is beyond the time, and the living entity is also beyond the time. We are deathless, we are eternal. So to establish our relations with the Lord is the priority number one, and we can do it only with Lord. So all other things, they are secondary, because they are born in the secondary world. Material world is a secondary world. It's like a shadow of the original world. Like there is a person, there is a shadow. So do you develop the relations with the shadow or with the person? You can't shake the hands with the shadow. You can't, talk with the shadow. So material world has a nature of the shadow. Chaya. Chaya means shadow. So there is a spiritual world and there is a shadow world. So if you understand that the Lord is a person number one, Adipurusha, then it naturally, logically follows that you have to, establish relations with him. It's a business number one.